welcome back to my channel. It's me, Yvanna, and I am back with a new video. I'm wet. I really don't mean to say the same shit every time, but it's just how I feel, and that's fine. Anyways, I'm here and I'm so excited because I am testing a new cleansing balm. This is the Juno Skin Clean 10 Cleansing Balm with Japanese barley magic. I'm so excited. I'm just so excited because I love judging with cleansing balms, because I feel like I'm the kind of person like masks, cleansing balms, makeup, and I guess moisturizers are pretty much those things that's like off the bat I know if I love it or hate it. The last cleansing balm I reviewed, it's hot in here, one second. It's just so hot. So the last cleansing balm that I reviewed was the Burst cleansing balm, and it fell flat as far as eye makeup for me. Everything else, like, it took off, but my eye makeup, it just didn't. And like, I don't need a makeup wipe, a cleansing balm, a makeup eraser. I don't need all that shit. Like, who needs all that shit? Like, no, like, I buy one product for makeup removal, not I never understood that. I'm not in the camp of like, I need 30 different things. Like, I need one for my left eye, I need one for my right eye, my left cheek, and my chin. Like, no, y'all will not get me today. You will not get me. Okay. So I love the texture of this so far because I just took the texture shots, but I'm so interested in just trying it out. So I've had a full face of makeup on all day. I'm wearing concealer, I'm wearing foundation, I'm wearing a tinted SPF as primer, I'm wearing so much powder, which is like my oil has eaten through. No eyeshadow today, but plenty of eyeliner, eyebrows, and mascara. So we will see how it does. I'm just taking a little dollop from the, I don't know, like a spatula. Warm it up. It literally immediately melts, which I love. Ooh, feels lovely. It smells good. It literally smells exactly like sherbet, like orange sherbet, but it's not like in a, like not in an artificial way. Like, it took me a second to kind of figure out what this smell was, because like even right now I don't smell, like I have to be here smelling it. So I think there's definitely citrus in here. I'm gonna break down the ingredients right here for you guys, because there's only 10 ingredients in this. That's what's supposed to make this kind of like the clean 10 thing. It's supposed to make it special. And you know, I love anything that has less ingredients and isn't just like a greedy ingredient whore and just like, you know, doing the most, because no one needs that. Sometimes we just don't need all that extra shit. It feels so nice. It has a very silky texture. It's very smooth, very slick. I mean, of course it's like oily to like a certain extent, but it's quite, there's almost like a silicone-y, like serum-y like texture to it, you know? Like, it glides, baby, it glides. I'm gonna give it a good rinse. I didn't use a makeup eraser. I didn't use, just my hands and the cleansing balm. That's it. Okay, my skin is completely clean and it feels so effing soft. Like, it's really quite an experience. I have to give them that. Okay, so there's definitely, wow, y'all can barely see that, but there is a little bit of mascara left over, but honestly, I'm pretty effing impressed. Like, this is not that bad. So as far as mascara, I would definitely recommend using something that's like a little bit abrasive, because like if you're like me, especially if you have nails, your fingers just aren't gonna do it. But like, for the most part, my eyelashes are clean. Anything that might be left over, which of course you are supposed to cleanse again. But okay, see. I'm so tough, y'all. I just like, Not a 10 for me, but I am very impressed with the texture. I'm impressed with how much it got off. It just didn't get all my makeup off. That's the one thing I would like all of my makeup off. So if I do go into my next cleanse, it is just my next cleanse. Okay. I like it. It's still not the best because I just assume there is the perfect cleansing balm out there, but The texture is unbelievable. I will give them that. They nailed the texture. They nailed the texture that your face is gonna feel like after using it. I really, really like it. It's really, really soft. I usually don't even touch my face like this, but I quite like it. Very gentle, very easy. It's not stubborn. It doesn't get stuck. Like you're not on your skin. You don't pull at all, which I really, really like. That's really important to me because I don't want to be causing premature wrinkles while I'm doing my skincare. So, clean 10 for me, it's gonna get a 7.5 out of 10, just because I would like to see a little bit more with my eye makeup, just a little more strength there. And then obviously I need a double cleanse to get all the makeup off my face. So, what I believe would remedy that if you're interested in this and you still like, I don't wanna do 2 cleanses, I got you. Makeup erasers, makeup halo, whatever you have, one of these microfiber makeup cloths paired together, your makeup will not be on your face. Obviously it will not be on your face, but you'll be left with that really nice fresh moisture, not even moisturized, I wouldn't say that, soft texture. Yeah, and it has a nice light scent. I'm pretty impressed with it. It's definitely better than the first one from the standpoint, like I can see now, like it took a second because obviously there's oil in my eye, but like I have perfect vision again, and that is so important. If you're the kind of girl who takes her makeup off at like 4 p.m. and you need to keep wearing your contacts for the rest of the day, like I feel you, I'm here for you. So from that standpoint, they did get it right, because I feel, you know, confident in my eyesight, which is such a random thing to care about, but it is. But yeah, Juno Skin, this is their first drop. I think they have 3 products and their new introductory line, and yeah, I'm excited to try more out. And yeah, if you guys have tried out more of the line or this, let me know. I'm super interested in your thoughts. I literally look like an egg, like my lip, like I'm dry right now. Like I never just like cleanse, you know what I mean? Like a little bit weird. But I hope this video found you in the best place possible. If you liked it, don't forget to leave it a like. If you liked me, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more of me, you can always check me out on my Instagram, Yvanna. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.